Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The common facts in brief giving rise to all the aforesaid petitions are that the petitioners were owners in possession of the land mentioned in para number 1 of their respective petitions, that after the installation of the pipes by the respondents, the land of the petitioners was converted into parts, and as per the restrictions imposed by the respondents, the petitioners became unable to dig the land where the respondents installed the pipes, that the petitioners were unable to take the water over or beneath the land where the respondents installed the pipes, and therefore the petitioners had to install submersible pumps for the purpose of irrigation of their separated pieces of land. It was further averred that with the digging of the land of the petitioners, the fertility of the land has been adversely affected, that the petitioners became unable to raise construction of any kind over the area where the respondents had installed the pipes beneath the land of the petitioners. It was further averred that the compensation assessed awarded was based on the collector rate on the recommendation of the respondent number 4, and that the compensation awarded was very meager. It was further pleaded that the value of the land of the petitioners was not less than rupees 80 lakhs per acre, that the land was being acquired by the government at the rate of about rupees 80 lakhs acre, and the land of the petitioners was Nehri. It was also averred that the land is always sold with all the rights and free from all and every encumbrances, and due to acquisition of rights of user of the land of the petitioners by the respondents, the petitioner became unable to convey every interest in the land of to the purchasers of the land. It was further pleaded that the respondents had given different rates to the landowners in different districts for acquiring the rights of user for the same purpose, whereas the restrictions regarding the use of the land by the landowners in every district used by the respondents were the same, that is, restrained from digging of pond, well, dam, tank, installation of trees, and using of land for horticulture purposes. It was further stated that the land of the petitioners was situated near the land purchased by the respondents on higher rates than the award passed by the respondents. Full stop. Over.